In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the sihost executable unknown hard error you're getting on your Windows computer. So hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So we're going to begin by opening up the start menu just by left clicking on the start button one time, and you want to type in PowerShell. One of the best matches should come back with Windows PowerShell. You want to just right click on that one. Don't select the Windows PowerShell ISE. You want to just select the one that says Windows PowerShell only and right click on that. Left click on Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, you want to left click on Yes. Now you want to give it a second to load up here, and once you have that blinking cursor, you want to type in SFC, exactly it appears on my screen, and then space /scan now. Scan now should all be one word attached to that /. So again, SFC space /scan now. Then you want to enter on your keyboard one time. This will begin running the system file integrity scan, and it will take some time, so please be patient, let it run. Let your computer restart, and hopefully that should resolve the issue. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.